My name is Kaylee Horchak, and I'm a senior nursing major. I chose Widener because I wanted to play lacrosse and be a nursing major, which is something I could do, and I just didn't want to give up being a student athlete. And being at Widener, I was given the opportunity to become a nurse and pursue my dreams and still play lacrosse. The clinical aspect of nursing is your junior and senior year. Each semester, you are at 2 different clinical locations, so you're usually in 2 different hospitals. You have a rotation for maternity and for pediatrics and critical care and med-surg, all different types of nursing you could get into. And during those times, you really learn how to interact with patients, and with that, you're able to really experience different types of career paths you could take. In our simulation labs, we have an ICU room, just a basic med-surg room, and with things like that, they're able to put us in scenarios that we could be in one day, and we have to react and think on the fly and really just keep going, and we don't have anyone to ask questions to. And I think with that, it really puts you in a situation of like, this could be me one day in the real world, and it really is helpful because then you'll be prepared for a situation like that. I've had 2 externships. I've had one at Christiana Hospital, and I'm currently at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. And I absolutely love having that experience, and it's really helped me just think about what I want to do with my career. After graduation, I will be taking my boards. I'll take the NCLEX, and then after that, I hope to be working full-time as a pediatric nurse. I will be so ready for the real world because of the experiences Widener has given me and the professional experiences. I know I'll be ready to tackle anything that's thrown at me.